How to create custom emojis on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. Open any chat from here. Once you're here, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the plus icon beside the text bar. Scroll down and select Memoji from the options. Then, tap on the plus icon as shown. You can now edit the Memoji as you like. You can change the skin, hairstyle, brows, and more. Once you're done, go to the top right corner and tap on Done. You have now successfully created a Memoji. Select it and tap on the arrow button beside to share it in this chat. Following these steps, you can easily create custom emojis on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.